My name is Keshwani. That's K-E-S-H-W-A-N-I, Keshwani. We are here because we want to prepare for SAT. We have been solving SAT math problems out of this book here, the official SAT study guide. If you do not own this book already, purchase one immediately. You're going to need it. The problem that we are about to solve is the one that you will find on page number 965. Please turn to it. Page 965. Today is our lesson number 141. Let's take a look at it. This particular section has 20 questions. Listen carefully. It has 20 questions and they are all of the same type. They are all multiple choice questions as opposed to the previous sections where the questions were mixed up in the multiple choice and the gradient questions are mixed up together in a given section. Here they are all of the same type. Because they are all of the same type, therefore the difficulty scale goes all the way from 1 through 20. The first 6 or 7 are going to be easy. The next middle 6 or 7 are going to be medium, and the last 1/3 are going to be hard. Or if you want to speak loosely, if you want to keep your life simple, the first two pages that you see there, page 965 and 966, they are easy. The next two pages that you see, the problems on page 967 and 968, if you turn to it, you will see that they are medium. And the last two pages that you see in the section, 969 and 970, they are difficult questions. That's where you have to slow down, and that's where you have to make sure that you don't end up picking a sucker answer. Do you understand? Anyway, keep it simple. Just that's how I remember it. Go by the pages. First two pages are easy in this section. The next two pages are medium. The last two pages are hard. Number one. Enough said. Number one is on a scale of 1 through 20 is number 1. It's very simple. The question is, if x over x minus 2 equals 39 over 37, then what must be x? Well, obviously the x is 39 because 39 minus 2 will give us 37, and on the top we have 39. The x is 39. X equals 39. Number 2. In number 2, we are given boys, girls, and total. And here we are given juniors, seniors, and again total. K, N, M, R, S, T, and W, X, and Z. The question is, which of the following must be equal to Z? It says in the table above, each character represents a number of students in that category. In other words, we have K number of boys who are juniors, we have S number of seniors who are girls, and so on and so forth. Which of the following must equal to Z? Now Z is right here. Z represents the total. Z represents the total, and there are two ways we can express this. Z equals M plus T, Z equals M plus T, and Z also equals W plus X. So one of these two is what we're looking for in the answer choices, and let's look at the answer choices. One answer choice will say either M plus T or W plus X because they cannot give you two right answers. There is only one right answer. And what we find here is that there is no answer choice which contains M plus T or W plus X. So obviously they expect us to do more. The second thing that we realize is that this M that we see here, that M that we see there, M itself equals K plus N. M equals K plus N. And T that we see here equals R plus S. Therefore M plus T equals K plus N plus R plus S. And this M plus T is what equals Z, right here. Therefore, the way they represent the answer, which is the answer choice E, which is the sum of K plus N plus R plus S. K plus N plus R plus S. And that also equals Z. One more time, M equals K plus N, T equals R plus S, therefore Z, which is M plus T, must equal K plus N plus R plus S. The answer is E. Number 3. Number 3 on the next page. page number 966. That's also a very easy question, as you can see there, very straightforward question. Here we're given a triangle and we are told that this is 60. Well, if this is 60, this inside angle would have to be 120 because the straight line makes 180 degrees. And this we are told is 25 and this we are told is x. And therefore 25 plus 120 plus x must equal 180. Because sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 and they're looking for the value of x. So x is simply 180 minus 120 is 60 minus 25. 60 minus 25. Again, what I did was I skipped a step here. 180 minus 120 is 60, so that's right there. Minus 25. 60 minus 20 is 40. Therefore 60 minus 25 would have to be 35. And that will be the answer choice C. Let's look at number 4. Number 4. Fun does not start until you get into the medium and the hard questions. These are very straightforward, as I said. Martin's refrigerator is broken. Alright. It will cost $300 to fix it. Okay, $300 to fix it. $300 to fix. A new energy efficient refrigerator costing $900 will save them $15 per month on the electricity bill. If they buy the new refrigerator in X months, the Martins will have saved an amount equal to the difference between the cost of the new refrigerator and the cost of fixing the old one. The question is, how many months does it take them to break even? The value of X. X represents the number of months it will take for them to recover what? Not recover $900. That's not what they're trying to recover. That's what you have to understand here. To recover the difference between what they will spend buying the new fridge. The new one is $900 to buy a new one. This is to fix the old one. So the difference is the amount of money that they're looking at here, which is $600. The question is, how long does it take to recover $600 if they're going to save $15 per month in the electricity bill? In other words, how many months before they break even? Well, that's very straightforward. It's just 600 divided by 15. 60 divided by 15 is 4, so it's just 40. It takes them 40 months. It will take them 40 months to break even. And after 40 months, starting from the 41st month, they will begin to actually make a profit, if you will. Because then $15 that they save on the 41st month is the $15 that they actually saved. And the bonus part is that they'll have a new fridge to enjoy. So 40 months is what it will take for them to break even. 36 months is 3 years. Another 4 months is a third of a year. So three and a third. 3 1/3 of a year. Even though the x represents the number of months, so the answer is 40. The answer is D. And that one was number 4. Let's look at number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5. The perimeter of an equilateral triangle ABC is 3 times the perimeter of an equilateral triangle DEF. So we are told that both of these triangles are equilateral. All 3 sides in each of these triangles are equal. And we are told the perimeter of the triangle ABC is 3 times the perimeter of the triangle DEF. Let's see what they're looking for. If the perimeter of DEF is 10, well, if the perimeter of DEF is 10, then ABC must be 30. What are they looking for? What's the length of one side of triangle ABC? Well, the perimeter is 30. If perimeter is 30 and the triangle has 3 sides, so each of the sides of triangle ABC must be 10. Each side of the triangle ABC is 10. Number 6. A machine mints coin at a rate of 1 coin per second. Alright, let's make a note. 1 coin per second. Well, if it makes 1 coin per second, that implies that it must make 60 coins in 1 minute, because there are 60 seconds in a minute. It also implies that it will make 60 times 60 coins in 1 hour, because there are 60 minutes in an hour. Let's see what they're looking for. If it does this for 10 hours each day, 10 hours each day, alright, so let's make it work 10 hours. So this is 1 hour, this is how many it makes in 1 hour, and therefore it will make 60 times 60 is 3,600 coins in 1 hour, and therefore it will make 10 times as much in 10 hours. 3,600 times 10, you put 3 zeros now, 1, 2, 3, we'll have 3 zeros, 36,000 coins it will make in 10 hours. It will make 36,000 coins in 10 hours if it works 10 hours in a day. The question is, let's see what they're looking for. Approximately how many days will it take the machine to mint 360,000 coins? Well, it makes 36,000 coins in 10 hours, which is 1 day, which is what they're defining as 1 day. So it makes 36,000 coins in 1 day, because the machine works only 10 hours a day, so our day is defined as 1 day. So if it makes 36,000 coins in 1 day, we want to make 10 times as many, which is what they're looking for. 36,000 times 10 would be 360,000 coins, and therefore 360,000 coins will be in 10 days. It will take 10 days to make the number of coins that are required, which is 360,000. I will see you tomorrow when we'll begin the medium question in this section on page number 967. Alright? Bye now.